respiratory infections, mainly due to influenza virus and human metapneumovirus. Let's start with the figures. According to data from Chinese Center for Disease Control and Prevention for the last week of December, over 30% of outpatient samples tested positive for influenza infection and 6.2% for HMPV infection. Meanwhile, in hospitals, 17.7% tested positive for influenza and 5.4% for HMPV infection. The exact figures aren't available, so it's difficult to assess the severity of the situation. However, China has confirmed that infections are on the rise, especially in the northern provinces. China has also issued a health advisory calling for attention towards acute respiratory infections. Experts are especially worried about the spread of human metapneumovirus. While there's nothing new about this virus, it has created alarm. Let us tell you a bit more about it. The human metapneumovirus is an enveloped single-stranded RNA virus. It was discovered nearly 20 years ago. In fact, serological studies have shown that it has existed for at least 60 years. Despite that, we still don't have a vaccine for HMPV. This has highlighted the need for effective preventive measures against viruses. Much like coronavirus, HMPV can spread from an infected person to others through coughing, sneezing, or any other personal contact. It can also spread by touching infected surfaces. Once HMPV enters your system, it can roughly take 3 to 6 days to show the symptoms. This includes cough, fever, nasal congestion, and shortness of breath. In severe cases, the symptoms can worsen to bronchitis or pneumonia. Moving on, who is most at risk of getting infected? The virus can affect people of all ages, but young children, elderly, and people with weakened immune systems should pay extra attention. Most importantly, how can you prevent HMPV infection? Here's what you can do. Wash your hands thoroughly and frequently. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, or mouth with unwashed hands. Avoid close contact with those who are sick. In case you experience cold-like symptoms, cover your nose and mouth while coughing and sneezing. Avoid contact with others and try to stay at home. Arzu Tawar for NDTV.